Hi, and thank you for dropping by my channel. Today I'm sharing an Indian fish recipe with you. It is fish roast Indian style. Now, this fish is not roasted in the oven but cooked on the stove top with a delicious masala. Come with me to see how this is done. I've listed the ingredients in the description box below. So, shall we start cooking?
I have a piece of kingfish here weighing 260 grams. Kingfish is called tenggiri in Malaysia. I'm going to marinate the fish with half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon chilli powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon lemon juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Let's now spread this mixture on both sides of the piece of fish. We'll leave this now to marinate for 30 minutes. I've got 4 shallots and I'm slicing them one by one. One biggish onion that I'm going to slice into crescent shapes. Four green bird's eye chillies, slit lengthwise. One smallish tomato that I'm going to chop up into pieces. Red juicy tomato pieces going into the bowl. 2 stalks of curry leaves. I have sufficient coconut oil in my frying pan to fry the piece of kingfish. The flame is at a medium. We'll fry this fish until it's a little bit more than half done. We have to turn the fish over now. Let's do that. That's right, gently does it. Let's now fry this side for about a minute. It's now time to remove the fish and set it aside. I'm pouring a wee bit more coconut oil. Oh, I forgot to mention, you don't have to use coconut oil. You can use any other cooking oil. I've just turned on the stove again. The shallots go in now. Let's saute the shallots. We add the onions while the shallots are slowly turning translucent. We add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste now. Saute them all together now. The onions are browning, so let's add the curry leaves. It's time for the tomato. Increase the flame a bit and fry the tomato pieces for 1 minute. The tomato has softened, so let's decrease the flame to low and add 3/4 tablespoon of chilli powder that has been waiting in the wings, followed by 3/4 tablespoon of fish curry powder making its appearance. And then the green chillies. 1 teaspoon fennel seed powder goes in. Let's now stir to combine these flavorful ingredients. Let's fry them on a low flame for 1.5 minutes. Look at this gorgeous sight, will you? All these ingredients waiting to flavor the fish. Add 100 ml of water and increase the flame to medium. After that, stir to combine. Now let's bring this gravy to a boil. The gravy has come to a merry boil, so let's add some salt to taste. Let's thicken the gravy and get it ready for the fish. And here it comes. Marinated, lightly fried and ready to soak up all that gorgeous masala. Let's now cook the fish for 2 minutes on each side on a medium flame. Shall we now cover and give the fish some time and privacy to soak up the gravy? Turn over and 2 minutes on the flip side. It needs more privacy to soak up all the delicious sauce. And it's finally done. Half a teaspoon of lemon juice for some tartness. Let's dry up the gravy a bit more. Delicious fish roast almost done. I'm turning the stove off now. Fish roast Indian style. Fried and then simmered in a gravy with simple pantry ingredients. This flavorful, spicy and tangy gravy makes your eyes pop as you bite into the spiced, succulent fish. Enjoy it best with white rice. Until I see you again with another recipe, thank you, stay safe and bye.